In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the map sensor on your Honda Accord. This will be located on top of the throttle body. Let's get started. Push down on the lock tab for the connector and pull straight back. Remove the connector. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to remove the screw for the map sensor. Pull straight up. You may have to wiggle a bit. And remove the map sensor. It's held in there with an O-ring, that's why it's so tight. Install the new map sensor. Push it straight down in. Get it fully seated. Install the screw. Get it started by hand. Snug it down. Torque it to 2.5 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the connector. And this harness should be installed in this intake boot. Just like that.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.